Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up ATM-style orders in TradingView, similar to what you get with NinjaTrader's Advanced Trade Management, or ATM strategy. Now before we begin, here's a quick clarification. TradingView doesn't offer built-in ATM strategies like NinjaTrader, but we can still replicate ATM-like behavior using two powerful methods inside TradingView. One is with brackets, and second with PineScript. First, you need to log into your TradingView account. Go to the website tradingview.com. Log in there. If you don't have an account yet, you can create the free or paid account from the available sign-up options. Let's get started. Option 1. Use bracket orders via the trading panel. Once you're logged in, open a chart and scroll down to the trading panel at the bottom. Connect to a supported broker like Binance, paper trading, OANDA, or interactive brokers by clicking Connect and authorizing access. Let me show on my connected Binance. Click the gear icon next to your broker and go to Trading Settings. Now enable Place Bracket Orders. This will let you add a take profit and stop loss when placing a trade, just like NinjaTrader's ATM strategy. Right-click on the chart and choose Place Order, or click on blue button upper left corner. Fill out the following fields: entry price, stop loss, take profit. These values will be submitted as a single order group. Once your trade is filled, both the stop and target activate automatically. If you want to streamline the process, click the three-dot menu and choose Save as Default Order Template, so your bracket settings load every time. This method helps you automate trade management in TradingView, even if it's not as advanced as NinjaTrader's multiple targets or trailing stops. Option 2. Use PineScript to build custom ATM logic. If you're a more advanced user, or if you want complete flexibility, you can create your own ATM logic using PineScript. For example, you can write a PineScript strategy that places an entry based on a condition, automatically sets stop loss and take profit, adds trailing logic or break-even rules. Here's a simple ATM-style example. You can expand this further to add multiple targets, trailing stop conditions, or even dynamic lot sizing based on your strategy. To run it, just go to the Pine editor in TradingView, paste your script, and click Add to Chart. I will give it in pinned comment. Go to the Pine editor and paste it there. Boom! You can see the magic, the profit percentage, and overall impact of this strategy. This method gives you far more flexibility than the default trading panel, ideal for automated backtesting and forward testing ATM-style setups. If this video helped you, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.